Power through projects with the Metabo HPT 18V Cordless Finish Nailer. Tired of bulky hoses and compressors? Meet the Metabo HPT 18V MultiVolt Finish Nailer, a sleek, cordless tool designed to elevate your nailing experience. Engineered with precision and powered by a brushless motor, this nailer guarantees faster, cleaner results for every project. Equipped with an air spring drive system, this nailer delivers pneumatic-like power with cordless freedom. Accepting 16-gauge nails ranging from 1 inch to 2.5, it drives up to 950 nails per charge. Its zero ramp-up time and selective actuation make finishing jobs faster and more accurate. Weighing in with ergonomic design and a tool-less depth adjuster, it's perfect for cabinetry, molding, and finish carpentry. Versatile and durable, it also features a side lock safety switch to prevent misfires, ensuring efficiency and peace of mind. With a lifetime power tool warranty and consistent glowing reviews touting a 4.3-star rating, this tool stands as a trusted choice for professionals and home improvers alike. Plus, it's part of the versatile multi-volt system, giving you extended power options for various tasks. Don't wait to upgrade your toolkit. Experience innovation with the Metabo HPT 18V Finish Nailer. Visit the link in the description to learn more and make it yours today.